Would you be as amazed as I was on knowing that so many of our heroes use visualization on a regular basis?
Listen to this. Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian in history, with 28 swimming medals to his name, uses visualization in a big way. At the age of 31, he has been to 5 Olympic Games, has 23 gold, 3 silver, and 2 bronze medals. He visualized himself in the swimming pool. He had daily habits to achieve excellence. For months before a race, he mentally rehearsed for 2 hours a day in the pool. He smelled the air, tasted the water, heard the sounds, saw the clock. He saw himself winning. He always grew up on the idea of dream as big as you could possibly dream. He saw his dreams. He saw them taking shape. In his own words, you can't control or predict who will win a medal in any given race. But if you are fast enough, the outcome will take care of itself. He believed that medals were tangible rewards, but individuals who wanted to achieve peak performance pursue excellence every day. He saw himself from the outside as a spectator in the stands. He saw himself overcoming obstacles. Phelps practiced all potential scenarios. He saw what he would do if he fell further behind in a race than he intended. He visualized it all.